Hello, boys and girls. Today, we are going to do an unboxing. I have some pals with me here today. Come on in, Kyle. Over here. If anybody else wants to join us, feel free. No, we're not just starting. This is an unboxing. We're doing it in one take. Everybody say hi and introduce yourself. Don't say your last name. Let's go.
I'm Izzy.
Hi.
I'm
Kyle.
I'm Jules.
I'm Lucas.
Oh, put it back up, Lucas. Up, tilt it up, stop. Perfect. No! Okay, we have a package today. Who can tell our audience what is in our package? Legos. I ordered 5 pounds of Legos. The description said it's just a random 5 pounds of Legos. So put the camera down a little bit. Down. Stop. Perfect. So let's open it up. Let's unbox this and see what we got. Really a lot of tape on here. Very secure. Ooh. In the description it said it's from various different sets. There's lots of different Legos. Oh goodness.
Oh, that's a lot.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Come on, unbox. Okay. Come on, boys and girls. We're unboxing. What did we get?
Oh my god, I got a
Yeah, somewhere. Yeah, the bag
Let me
has
see
a
the
hole in
camera.
it.
The bag has a hole in it. Okay.
That tape set.
Yeah, I just like.
All right. We're just going through and talking about what we find.
Ooh, this from the
I found a car.
No, I did.
Wow, let's say it at the same time. All right. Looks like we have a lot to go through, but this
Are you
is
gonna say every piece?
no.
That would have been
No.
ever.
No. All right, say goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Goodbye.